Good day everyone, we are here to present our project for System Analysis and Design at the University Malaysia Sarawak. Our project is the Personal Finance Management application. The purpose of this system is to provide a comprehensive tool for users to track, manage, and analyze their financial health through a structured digital platform. I am Zeti, a system analyst, and I focus on defining the system requirements and ensuring our logic flows were sound. Meanwhile, Cindy and Alvin are our UI/UX designers. They were responsible for the user journey and creating an interface that is both modern and easy to navigate. Ling is our other system analyst, and she worked closely with me to translate user needs into technical specifications. And lastly, we also have Ethan as our group leader and Louis as our system designer. So what is the core issue we are tackling? Many students today struggle with a significant lack of financial awareness. They often find it difficult to track daily expenses and makes it nearly impossible to save effectively or understand where their money goes. Our solution is a centralized personal finance management system. This application provides budgeting guidance through real-time tracking and automated budget alerts. We unify financial data to eliminate confusion, helping students build better habits through actionable insights and turning financial stress into long-term discipline.
Now, let's look at the logical design. In our context level diagram, you can see the personal finance management system acting as a central hub. The user interacts by providing registration data, transaction data, bill data, budget data, and saving goal submission. In return, the system provides account status, validated transaction history, bill reminder, budget alerts, and financial insights. The system admin manages the backend by providing an updated version to the system, which then sends updated notification to the user. Next, for level 0 data flow diagram, process 1, 2, and 3 handle the basics, which including managing user account, transaction, and bills, supported by their respective database. While process 4 and 5 focus on planning, specifically managing budgets and saving goals. Then process 6 will generate report and insight based on user data. For process 7, it allows for community interaction via forum discussion, and finally, process 8 will handle the system update triggered by the system admin. Now, let's look at the updated logic for process 2, manage transaction, in our level 1 data flow diagram. First, the system captures transaction data and sends the captured data to be compiled and validated. Once validated, the validated transaction history is sent to the transaction database for permanent storage. To provide accuracy, process 2.3 calculates and extracts balance information, pull this history from the database and returns the calculated balance information. Finally, process 2.4 display balance information, takes that data to fulfill user viewing requests.
To show you how this looks for the user, let's walk through the manage transaction process. From the overview homepage, there is a record icon below. When the user clicks on the record icon, it will lead them to add expense or income page. For expense, they can enter expense value by selecting categories like shopping. After they enter the amount, it will be saved successfully. While for income, user can select income categories such as part-time, and they enter the income value. Once everything will be saved, the display balance information 2.4 process updates the total balance, total income, total expenses, and spending by category chart in real time. In addition, user can view their transaction history by clicking the More icon. The transaction will show the income and expense that the user had. For example, income such as allowance and bonus, while the expense such as food, Netflix, gym membership. From the manage transaction crucial process, we have one crucial data store, which is the transaction database D2. For the input, it receives validated transaction history for process 2.2. Ensuring only verified data is stored. As a storage, it serves as the primary repository for all historical financial records. Lastly, the output, where it provides balance information to process 2.3 and 2.4, ensuring that every balance the user sees is based on 100% accurate, validated history. This is the end of our video presentation. Thank you for watching.
So now I will explain one by one on how to use our interface. When users enter the apps, users can either sign up or log in. The authentication flow is designed to be simple and quick, minimizing frictions. Users can easily create an account and securely access their financial data. In case users forget the password, they just simply add their email address that associated with the account, and then we will send the verification code, and then the users can reset their new password and access to the account with their new password. In case the users are new to the app, they just simply click on the sign up and create their account by adding their username, password, and their email address. And this is our dashboard, where users can see the overview of total balance, the budgets, and the summary of the transactions. The charts allow users to immediately see the total balance of the income and the total balance of the budget that's safe to use. When users slide up the transaction summary, users can easily see the overview of the transactions. Users also can customize their budget by clicking to the budget and set their budget with their preference. Users also can edit their expense and income by clicking on the record button. Since Cindy have explained this before, so I will skip this part. Users can access their financial report by clicking on the report button. In this page, users can see through their total balance, total income, total expense, and a chart which show the spending by category, for example like the food, entertainment, and so on. More functions are coming in the more buttons, for example like the bill reminder, saving goal, and the community forum. Users also can see their upcoming bills. So in here, users can add a new bill. Just provide the name and amount, and they can save it, and the new bill will be shown in the bill page. Besides that, users also can add their saving goal. By simply add their saving goal and save it, the saving goal will be shown in the goal pages. Finally, users can interact with other users or create a new post about their talk in the community forum. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.